Have you ever opened your inbox, scrolled through a flood of promotional emails, and thought, who actually reads these? Now imagine this. What if your emails were the ones people can't wait to open? The ones that make readers smile, click, and even buy without feeling sold to. That's the power of great email copywriting. Hey everyone, I'm Mayur from Mayur Networks, and in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to write emails that get opened, get read, and get results. By the end, you will know how to turn simple words into sales without sounding pushy or spammy. And if you want to go even deeper into this topic, join my free community at community.mayurnetworks.com, where you will get access to free and premium courses, templates, and a network of like minded entrepreneurs. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly is copywriting in email? It's the art and strategy of writing words that move someone to take action, whether that's clicking a link, buying a product, or replying to your message. But here's the secret most people miss. Good email copy doesn't feel like selling, it feels like helping. When you write the right way, your readers feels understood, not targeted. That's when trust begins. And trust, my friends, is what drives conversions. Now, let's talk about why email still matters in 2025. Everyone's obsessed with reels, shorts, and viral posts. But social platforms can change overnight. Your Instagram reach, gone with one algorithm update. Your TikTok account could vanish tomorrow. But your email list, that's something you own. It's your direct line to your audience. Think of it like this: social media is like renting an apartment, email is owning your home. Would you rather keep paying rent or build your own house? Now, let's dive into the three pillars of email marketing and copywriting that converts. Pillar number one: know your reader like a best friend. Before you write a single word, ask yourself, who am I talking to? What's their biggest problem right now? What keeps them up at night? And what's the dream outcome they desperately want? Here's a quick example. If you are selling a fitness program, don't start your email with our new fitness plan is here. Start with something like this. Ever look in the mirror and wish you had your old energy back? See the difference? One talks at the reader, the other speaks to their heart. Pillar number two: write like you talk. Forget fancy words. Forget corporate buzz. Your goal isn't to impress, it's to connect. Imagine you are having a coffee with a friend. How would you explain your offer? That's how your email should sound. For example, instead of saying our webinar aims to optimize your entrepreneurial growth trajectory, say join us live. I will show you how to grow your business faster without burning out. Simple, clear, human. Pillar number three: every line must earn the next. Think of your email as a slippery slide. Once the reader starts, they shouldn't stop until they reach the bottom. Huge, short sentences, emotional hooks, curiosity. Make them think. Just one more line. Let's see an example. Bad version may look like this. Our new app is now available with improved features. Better version looks like this. We just built something that will save you hours every week and it's ready right now. Which one make you want to click? Now let's talk about subject lines. Because if your subject doesn't grab attention, nothing else matters. Your goal: make it impossible not to open. Here are three formulas that always work. Curiosity plus value. The three words that doubled my sales. One specific benefit: how I grew my list by 1200 subscribers in 7 days. Personal story: what I learned after sending 1 lakh emails. Avoid spammy clickbait. Instead, create honest intrigue. Then comes your body copy. That's where you tell the story. A great email always has one message and one goal. Don't overwhelm your reader with 10 links and 5 calls to action. Focus on one transformation. Example: instead of saying, buy our course, follow us on Instagram, and check our blog, say, click below to get instant access and start writing emails that make people want to buy. Finally, your CTA, your call to action. Be clear, be confident, and make it easy. Don't say learn more, say grab your free guide now or start your free trial today. You're not begging for clicks, you're offering value. Now, here's something most people forget: follow up emails matter more than your first one. Most conversions happen after the third or fourth email, not the first. That's why consistency wins. If you send valuable, relatable, and human emails, people will start looking forward to hearing from you. And when that happens, your business changes forever. So, to recap, understand your audience deeply. Write like you're talking to a friend. Every line earns the next. Focus on one goal per email and keep showing up. And if you want to master this skill step by step, download my free worksheet, Master Email Copywriting That Converts. It will walk you through building your own high converting email in under an hour. You can grab it free right now and join our community at community.mayurnetworks.com to get access to more free and premium courses. Plus, connect with like minded creators building their hub based businesses. If this video helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment with email mastery, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss my next training. Remember, it's not about writing emails, it's about building relationships with words. Because when you write with empathy, clarity, and purpose, selling becomes effortless. This is Mayur signing off, and I will see you inside the community. Bye.